Ways to recover the forest. For millennia, humans have shaped nature and greatly altered ecosystems, cutting down forests to cultivate, drying up wetlands, or cutting mountains to extract minerals. In just 50 years, 75% of the Earth's surface has been transformed by humans. An unprecedented change in history that shows that conserving is no longer enough to stop the rapid degradation of ecosystems. Although it is impossible to return nature to its original state, there is a way to heal the scars and even revive ecosystems that have been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. However, we are struggling to postpone their deterioration through a new process such as ecological restoration. However, restoration is much more than planting. Ecological restoration is about helping nature to regenerate itself in an integral way. The goal must be to recover healthy ecosystems, which host biodiversity and offer their vital services and resources to society again. Betting on ecological restoration is a new vision with a comprehensive approach. The fundamental ingredient is to think, before acting, what landscapes and ecosystems we want to build for the future, and do so with the participation of the people of the area, who know, live, and work in the territory. And, secondly, deciding what tools we need for each specific case. After a fire, letting nature recover by protecting the soil and fencing some areas can sometimes be more effective than planting trees. For an effective ecological restoration, we must follow 5 steps to be able to achieve the purpose. Planning. Where? We must identify the priority ecosystems to recover, such as forests degraded by fires, erosion, diseases. We will study the background of the area, to define the ecosystem that we want to recover. Participation. With whom? During the project we will coordinate with administrations, researchers, associations. We will also inform and involve the local population, owners, farmers. Realization. What are we going to do? Plant native trees and shrubs, but also promote natural regeneration. For example, with shelters for seed-dispersing animals. Maintenance. Next steps. We will ensure that nature recovers by itself after our performance. If necessary, it will be watered, cleared, and the dead plants will be replaced. Monitoring and evaluation. How will it be evaluated? Ecosystem and landscape recovery will be assessed for changes if necessary. A report will be prepared with everything executed. Finally, we must ensure that the productive lands surrounding the forest fragments are as environmentally friendly as possible. To this end, among other measures, we recommend reduce the extent of land harmful to biodiversity, such as latifundia devoid of trees for livestock and monocultures. Stimulate agricultural practices adapted to the environmental conditions, soil, water, climate and biota, of each region to reduce inputs, such as water and agrochemicals. Promote food production through agroforestry systems that combine native trees, crops and/or domestic animals on the same land. Delimit productive lands with live fences, such as hedges or similar. Avoid the expansion of roads, hydroelectric dams and mining, especially in the vicinity of natural areas. Promote economic activities that enhance conserved forests, such as ecotourism or sustainable trade in forest products. Benefits for humans. Forests are not only home to millions of indigenous people. They also provide endless goods and services. Forests and other wooded elements provide wood, firewood, fodder for livestock, edible plants, meat, cash crops, and medicinal plants for local communities. They also play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the planet, regulating the cycles of water and many basic elements for life: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. Today few doubt the current environmental crisis, but it does doubt that it has a solution. Science has revealed that there are solutions, although their implementation will require the effort of all. From the political point of view, measures that stop large-scale deforestation and promote restoration should be promoted, such as the creation of biological reserves and corridors and payment for environmental services. Society can also support the cause. Any effort, no matter how small, can add up and make a big positive impact. A simple and immediate way to protect forests is to change our diet, especially to a plant-based one, something healthy for us and for the planet. We can make donations to causes such as the purchase of land for conservation and restoration. We can be more conscious consumers, prioritizing the purchase of local products, especially organic, and avoiding the purchase of products that involve the conversion of forests. We must reduce our consumption. Although we may not notice it, energy, transportation, food and beverages, housing, including the furniture and appliances of our homes, directly or indirectly demand many forest resources.